Thank you, dear media friends, for coming for the coverage. We, on behalf of TSF, call for the press conference here today. I'm myself, John Deberma, the Vice President of TSF, and we have the Central Executive Member, Dibas Deberma, and Samar Deberma. We have the President of Southern East Divisional Committee and Vice President of Southern East Divisional Committee, as well as Southern South, and we have Town Committee Presidents as well. The reason we call for the press conference today here is, since you all know that we have been calling for a strike in demand of script, Roman script, for printing textbook in Roman script as well as the question paper. And we have seen the reply of the Chief Minister in the Assembly. The Chief Minister has stated that he is looking for a solution. So we also believe in solution. So solution must come with dialogue. That's why we are also ready. We want to inform that we are ready. But it is also to inform you all that we are starting our movement on Monday at Agartala. It will be a very peaceful movement. We will continue our movement in Agartala on Monday, and it will be very peaceful. That's the reason we want to inform through the press media to every people of Tripura who are watching, and as well as we'll ask if the Chief Minister is really looking for the solution, then we are also ready for a dialogue, for a solution. And we cannot compromise on our demand. It is not just only a demand. A demand is raised based on the needs of the people. So it is the needs of the indigenous people. It is our needs. So we must achieve our needs. We are requesting the government to consider our demand, since it is very important. It is the needs of the people. We are not against any script. We are not against the Bengali script. We are not asking the government to remove Bengali script in printing textbook. But we are asking to include Roman script. We are asking the government to print textbook in Roman script as well as to print the question paper in Roman script. And it's a genuine demand. And you also well know that script selection committees were formed earlier. The Samacharan Script Selection Committee in 1991. It gave in the report, it recommended the government to adopt this script. And also we have seen the Pavitra Sarkar Bhasha Commission, which was headed by Pavitra Sarkar himself. We have seen there also that the commission has, in the commission we have seen the majority are in favor of Roman script. So when it is done based on seminar, all the script selection committee reports were based on this seminar, and it is a consensus. So the government should understand the needs of the people, and it is genuine. It is based on consensus. So they must come to understand and solve the issues. So that is why we are going to carry our movement on Monday in Agartala, and it will be very peaceful.
जैसे देखा गया आप लोग ने बोला था कि पीसफुल आप लोग जहाँ पे भी आप लोग स्ट्राइक जो कर रहे पीसफुल कर रहे, कल देखा गया कि बहुत जगह पे एम्बुलेंस आप लोगों ने रोक के रख दिया, जो बीमार लोग था एम्बुलेंस में हॉस्पिटल में लाने के लिए नहीं दिया, आप लोग ने रास्ते पे उसको रोक दिया। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट भी ऐसे हैं जो एग्जाम देने वाले हैं, उनको भी आप लोगों ने रोक दिया। पीसफुल किसको बोलते हैं आपको?
See, we are not stopping any ambulance. I have not seen such thing that we have stopped, because I was also there in Agartala. So many ambulances were passing. We are letting the ambulance pass. We are letting all the emergency cases. We are letting those who are having exams. We let them appear the exams. We have no issues with that. We are not violating any. We are not creating any havoc. Since it is our needs for the people, we democratically carry on the protest. I think I have not seen any such things. Since I was there, we are letting so many ambulance passes by. We have never stopped them.
आप लोगों तो सिर्फ अगरतला में आप लोगों ने आप नहीं बैठे, ये त्रिपुरा के स्टेट में जैसे बहुत जगह पे बैठे,
जगह पे भी ये सब
जैसे विश्रामगंज वहाँ पे रोक के रख दिया, 2-3 एम्बुलेंस एक साथ लाइन में खड़ा था, इनको पेशेंट लेकर हॉस्पिटल में जाने के लिए रोक के रख दिया उन लोगों को।
No, we allowed even in Bisramganj, even in
नहीं दिया,
even in Hatai-Kotor, we allowed them.
नहीं दिया। कल रात को भी हाथाई-कोतुर में भी उसको रोक के रख दिया।
No, we allowed them. I was there in the till late night. When I was there, we allowed them, everyone, even the ambulance who are coming going for medical treatment. We let them go. We have not stopped them.
आपने बोला जैसे अगरतला में आप लोगों ने एग्जाम देने वाले को भी घुमा दिया कल।
I have not seen since I was there. We're not making them. We let them pass by throughout the road.
आप लोग बोल रहे हैं पीसफुल, पीसफुल किसको कहते हैं?
See, we are not peaceful. It is. I will say what is peaceful. Peaceful is when there is solution. It is peaceful.
तो सोल्यूशन का
No.
जो एग्जाम देने वाले हैं वो इस रास्ते से नहीं जा पाया, और जो टाइम था 10:30 बजे उन लोगों को एग्जाम देना था, जब वो घूम के जाने तक 12 बज गया।
There are other ways to go for them. They can go through other way.
बहुत रिक्वेस्ट किया आप लोगों को, नहीं दिया आप लोगों ने।
We are very peaceful. Government are not peaceful. You please ask them. If just peace comes with justice, so you please ask this question to the government. It is the responsibility of the government. Peace comes with justice. There is no justice means no peace. When we look at what is peace, peace is all about justice. Peace cannot be absence of justice. So you please ask the government also whether they want peace. If they want peace, why are they not solving the issues? I think they will understand the meaning of peaceful better than us.
सर देखा गया है पिछले 2 साल से आप लोग रोमांस्किप के लिए प्रोटेस्ट किए हैं, धरना दिए हैं, फिर भी कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं हुआ। कल भी असेंबली में क्लियर ऐसा कोई बात उठ के नहीं आया कि रोमांस्किप को एक्सेप्ट किया जाएगा। बोला है जो लोकल लैंग्वेज है वो चकमा हो सकता है, माओ हो सकता है, जो भी है वो भी हो सकता है, इंग्लिश के बिना जो भी है वो भी हो सकता है। ऐसा कुछ सोल्यूशन नहीं हुआ है, ऐसा कुछ रेज नहीं हुआ है। और पहले जो इंडिजिनियस जो लीडर थे उन्होंने भी रेज नहीं किया। पहले इससे पहले जो असेंबली हुआ है उसमें सिर्फ कांग्रेस के एक विधायक ने ये रेज किया था, दूसरे कोई किसी ने रेज नहीं किया है। तो इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं और क्या बोलना चाहेंगे गवर्नमेंट को?
My message will be very clear. I have seen the MLS of the promoter raising in the first assembly. They have raised yesterday also. Even during the last assembly also they have raised. Yes, of course, Surya Burman raised the issues. We thank him. We also really thank him. He raised the issues. But my question also to the other ministers and other MLAs. Now you may ask the Minister of BJP also, Honorable Vikas Dharma, you please ask them also. You are Honorable Leader of Opposition, respected Jitendra Chaudhary, you please ask him also why they are not raising and let them clarify their stance on it. We already clearly told, we are not against any script, but let a textbook be printed. So whether they wanted the textbook to be printed in Roman script or not, let them clarify. And it's not my duty to clarify, but let the leaders of BJP, the MLS of BJP, the ST Congressional of BJP, the Ganamukti Parishad, the CPIM, the indigenous people, let them clarify their stand of their own. I think it's better if you ask them also, and these questions should be asked to them.
कल मोथा सुप्रीमो को भी देखा था कि आप लोगों के डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन में उन्होंने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया था, तो उन्होंने बोला था कल उनके तरफ से भी कोई विधायक रंजीत देव वर्मा इस मुद्दे को उठाएगा, उनको भी चुप रहते हुए देखा गया। क्या बोलेंगे इसको लेकर?
See, first of all, I must thank His Highness Bhubagra. He has supported us physically, morally, and his party has also supported us. And even the IPFT has supported us. They also came, everyone came. And we have seen they raised the issues already in the assembly. Even Ranjit, respected MLA Ranjit Devarma, he has raised the issue, and the minister himself, our respected Onimes Devarma, he also raised the issues in the assembly. And we have seen the reply of the chief minister. He wanted solution, so that is why we are also looking for a solution in a peaceful manner, and justice should be served to the whole indigenous community of Tripura.
तो अगर ये सॉल्यूशन जब तक नहीं निकलेगा तब तक क्या आप लोग धरने पे बैठे रहेंगे?
We have different ways of protest, different ways, different means. Yes, our movement will be continued. It can be in different form. It can be even a bigger movement than this. But we'll continue. That's why I'm saying we are going to come to Agartala on Monday, and it will be very peaceful.
कल आप लोगों ने किया और आज भी चल रहा है, आप लोगों का डिमोशन चल रहा है। अभी तक कोई गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से आके आप लोगों से बात किया है क्या?
They are not coming, so you also ask them why are they not taking responsibility to talk to us. I also want you please ask the ministers, chief minister, you please go to the ministers, ask them why are they not talking to us. I think the answer will be with them.
आप लोग आज का स्टूडेंट हैं, आपको एक क्वेश्चन करना है मुझे। आप जब भी आंदोलन करते हैं स्टूडेंट के बारे में ही करते हैं, फिर भी मैं एक क्वेश्चन करता हूँ। आपका जो पद्म मणिपुर जो है, उन्होंने जो पुष्प वन पैलेस है वो किसी को दे दिया, लेकिन इसके बारे में आप लोग कोई भी आंदोलन क्यों नहीं किया? ये त्रिपुरा का एक ऐतिह्य है, मैं किसी को क्यों दे दूं? ठीक है, तो आप लोग इसके बारे में क्यों नहीं सोचे?
पहले त्रिपुरा में सबसे पहले आप लोगों ने इसको लेकर
खिलाफ किया था।
लेकिन आप लोग चुप क्यों हैं?
आप
ठीक है, we are the first one to raise the issues of पुष्प वन पैलेस। जैसे कि आपने क्वेश्चन किया, आप लोग क्यों चुप है? अभी जब राजबाड़ी पैलेस का नाम चेंज करना वाला था, हम लोग ही किया था। Now you also ask why they want to do that. You ask the previous government, that is the CPM. Please ask them why are they doing that. Why have they changed the name of stable to Swami Vivekananda? Please ask them also. Now, regarding the Pushpa Banta Palace, see, we are very clear. Our stand is very clear. We are not against any development coming to Tripura. We are not against 5-star, but the cultural heritage should be preserved, and there should not be cultural genocide. I'm seeing, maybe I will use the term cultural genocide. We are seeing some other places, so we don't want that to be happen. Let the 5-star be open. It is for the welfare of the people, but at the same time, there's the culture, the heritage, cultural heritage should be preserved. That is what we are asking for.
ना पैसे के लिए
पैसे के लिए
मोरस तो कल बोल दिए कि कुछ करोड़ रुपया मिल गया,
तो पैसे के लिए
इसको इतने दिन रोक के रखा था क्या?
पैसे के लिए नहीं, it is not right for me to answer on behalf of him, but what
आप लोग को इसके लिए आंदोलन नहीं दिखाया?
हम बोलेगा let the development come, but there should be for the indigenous people also. अभी इधर आया, we are also demanding for, so that our people, for we are also demanding for the reservation of maybe jobs in the hotel. Let the indigenous community get, not only indigenous, but there should be reservation. Let it be, let the development come. Let first of all culture should be protected, heritage should be protected, but at the same time, that does not. Our main demands will be, we are demanding, we are also talking, we want development of course, but let there be reservation for the indigenous people in getting jobs in the hotel or anywhere. Let the touch also open some big institute in Kumlung or in other places in this area. We welcome.
नहीं, महाराज का पहले तो नारा था यहाँ पे कुछ होटल बनने नहीं देंगे, अगर बनाना ही है कुमलुंग में हम जगह देंगे वहाँ पे बनाओ। अभी जब पैसा मिल गया तब वो उसको क्यों छोड़ दिया? आप लोगों ने भी मुद्दा उठाया था कि वहाँ पे होटल नहीं बनना चाहिए कि वो हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग है। जब अभी आप लोगों के सामने कल महाराज जी ने बता दिया कुछ करोड़ रुपया मिल गए, अभी और भी लाएंगे पैसा, तो पैसा ही मैं उनके सामने सबसे बड़ा है, तो हेरिटेज उनके सामने कोई मायने नहीं रखता क्या?
आप लोग इसके खिलाफ क्यों नहीं गए?
See, what so far as I know, I think this question should be asked to him, but Maharaj never said to destroy the cultural heritage of Tripura. He is not asked to demolish the Pushpabanta Palace. He is asked, as far as I know, and as far as I understand, cultural heritage buildings should be preserved. And I think Maharaj also is there. I'm not the right person to speak on behalf of him. I'm not the right person. But I've not seen him against the demolition of cultural heritage. But I've never seen. Now, what about the Matabari? Sorry, this Kharsi. Please ask the government, what are they doing there? You are doing something? खैरपुर में जो अभी कर रहा है बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन, तो उसका कल्चरल जेनोसाइड नहीं है, कल्चरल को डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए नहीं है वो। Now, regarding Pushpabanta Palace, we are not against the, I'm telling again, we are not against the development coming, 5-star coming to Tripura, but there should be preservation of culture, history of the Tripura. This is our stand. Let development be there, but our culture, history should be preserved, and we believe it will be preserved, and job must be given to our people, and big institutions should come to TDDC.
ये तो राज्य सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री भी खुद ने बताया था, यहाँ पे अगर होटल बनता है तो त्रिपुरा के पीपल्स को ही काम मिलेगा, पैसा आएगा, टूरिज्म को लेके और भी पैसा बढ़ेगा। तब बोला कि नहीं होगा। अब कैसे उनको पैसा मिलकर बोला सम करोड़ मिल गया।
Now, Mukhyamantri or any ministers, without giving anything to the indigenous people, you cannot also welcome the development. Development should be for everyone, and there should be reservation for the indigenous people. It should be consulted.
I have one question. That is, just few minutes back you have said that government is not supporting your protest. Is there any picketers or any protesters was arrested regarding this?
So far, I have no news regarding that. I have not seen being arrested, and we are thankful to the police personnel for cooperating with us. We are very much. We want to thank them also. Thank you.
রিকোয়েস্ট থাকবো, কালকে আমাদের সাংবাদিকদের সঙ্গে খুব খারাপ ব্যবহার করছে। আপনাদের নিউজ কভারেজের দিকে আমরা যাই, আমরা তো একটা নিউজ নিয়ে সারাদিন থাকতে পারি না। যখন আমরা আপনাদের একটু জায়গা চাইছিলাম, আমরা ওইদিকে একটা নিউজ করতে যাবো, আমাদের আটকে রেখে দিচ্ছে এবং এত বাজে ব্যবহার, রাগ ব্যবহার করছে আমাদের সঙ্গে। আই কার্ড দেখানোর পর আপনারা ছাড়ে না।
তো আমি জানি না কি লাগে,
তাহলে আপনাদের সম্পর্ক কিভাবে আমরা সংগ্রহ করবো?
এই সময় আমি নাই মনে হয় আমি খালি তো একদম অর্জন না হ্যাঁ করে দিব
আমরা বাইকে প্রেস লেখা আইকন দেখানো আছে তারপর যেতে দেন এত বাজে ব্যবহার
আমি তো দেখছি তাই লাগে
কম বয়স স্টুডেন্টই ছিল
হ্যাঁ আন্দোলন তো করবো ভাই
আইকান দেওয়ার পর হাতে
ঠিক আছে ভাই
আমরা নিজে আমরা ঘটনা হয়ে থাকে আমরা দেখুন